Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video I'm going to be logging into the back end of a WordPress website to show you how to change your WordPress login credentials. So first step is to log into your actual dashboard. If you don't know how to log into your WordPress dashboard, I do have a video showing you how to do that. So once you log in, you're going to see your dashboard, which looks like this. On the left-hand side, you're going to see your users, right? So users, you're going to click on that. And in this area, I'll just give you a brief rundown of what this area is all about. So you're going to have your administrative login, which is right here, and it says the role administrator. Then you may want to have other people have access to the website. Like maybe you have a blog writer, but you don't want them to have complete access to the website. Maybe just limited access to the blogging section, like the post page. So that's where you would create a new user by clicking add user. And then putting in their credentials in terms of their email address, create a password for them, then they can log into the back end and have access. But let's say just for the administrator and you're a business owner, or you just got a new website designed by a website designer and you want to change the login once the website is complete, which I highly recommend. So you would go here to users, click on edit the administrator access. Then you're going to scroll down to new password and you're going to hit generate password. And right now this is a password generated, or you can just click on that and enter in whatever you wish. All right. And once you enter in whatever you wish, and it has to be a strong password, you will hit the update profile button and everything will be updated. I do not want to change my password. So yeah, click update. This will refresh, and then you're going to just see the same page again. I hope this helps out a lot, and I definitely, as I said, do recommend you changing your password frequently, maybe let's say on a monthly basis if you have a high amount of traffic, and definitely whenever you lend your login details to, let's say, a designer or a developer and they are finished a project, you definitely want to go in and just change these credentials. All right, so hopefully this video helps. Once again, my name is Janelle McClarty from EncoreWebsites.com. And if you do have any web-related questions, feel free to click on the link in my bio or send me a quick email to info@EncoreWebsites.com. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.